In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the Vehicle Legends Discord server. So you want to go to the bottom of your server list on Discord and click on this plus icon, add a server. From here, we want to select have an invite already and join a server. And this is what we type: discord.gg/RT8, capital H, lowercase WT, and uppercase PUWK. Okay, so this is the server link, discord.gg. Click on join a server, and as you can see, we have joined the official Vehicle Legends Discord server for Roblox. So hope this was helpful. If you need any help with verification, check my channel. I have a way of verifying using Bloxlink, a video on that. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.